Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Did you ever have to wash a car in a fifth-story parking garage? Well, let me tell you, I do. I do these things, and this 1982 Crossfire Corvette is going to get the Deluxe Vehicle Detailing treatment. I've got the car next to it. My parking garage has quite a bit of open space, not too shabby of cars, BMWs, Mercedes. I am downtown Clearwater, and this vehicle, it's not very dirty. It's, I'd call it just a little bit of dust. It's, freshly waxed. I just finished washing this. It's looking amazing. Thank you very much. This is on-the-fly video of my Airless paint sprayer with my Harbor Freight. Man, it's got to be like 5 years old. Almost never let me down. Airless paint sprayer. Check this out. If you're in any situation, I use distilled water in that bucket and either ONR or pure rinseless by, what is that name? German Feynlab. So check this. This Feynlab Pure is a soap-based rinseless, and it is amazing. So you're kind of pressure washing, cleaning, and this is just kind of the dwell stage right now. So the nice thing about this Airless paint sprayer is you can turn it between 1,000 psi, which is not the same as a pressure washer, and 3,000 psi, not the same as a pressure washer, but you've got control of how much of the cleaner you're using. I've had guys tell me, oh, that will never last, the seals will break because it's supposed to be working with the consistency of paint, and you've got some water in a bucket, which it's either, like I said, ONR or Feynlab Pure rinseless. Both of them are rinseless washes. What you do is you set it down in the low range, you dwell the whole car, let it set for a few minutes. Just to give you an example, I really just quick dwelled, and even on the low pressure, I shot half of this hood and this half of the car, right? So working my way top to bottom, this thing is incredibly filthy. I don't know when the last time it was washed, but it's probably been in this parking garage or somewhere for a long time, but it's very important to them that they get this thing cleaned up by tomorrow. So I made a special mobile visit. You know how much I hate mobile and packing everything up. But I decided to do it. New client contacted me off Google. And so I'm going to take you over here quick and just show you with the 3,000 PSI. And this is a very impromptu. I don't even have my regular pistol grip holder. It's going to get a little loud with this. So if you're on headphones, turn it down. I didn't give you much notice there, right? I did wipe off the glass just so I could get this thing parked. It was parked over there by that black Range Rover. So this is 3,000 PSI. Look at that. Look at that, how it has just loosened. This is the Pure. If a car didn't need so much cleaning, you can go with the Optimum No Rinse, the ONR. But I knew this thing was going to be hammered. Really nice and clean. Check that out. So I kind of do this just like I'm painting a car. It's kind of hard to do with both, both hands. One. And I just work the high, and then I sweep it along all the way down. So I'm getting a high shot so that I'm not dragging any kind of contact, mitts or anything like that. Turn this off. It does run a little bit. It is starting to get old. I probably will be in the market for something new, but I've gotten my money's worth out of the Kraus and Becker. I think I accidentally lost you as I was bending down for the Kraus and Becker. Like I said, normally I have my little pistol grip holder for the phone camera. So anyway, the Kraus and Becker is awesome. I would buy another one for $169 right now, knowing that I would get 5 years out of it, maintenance free. It's been killer. But I checked with them and they don't carry that anymore. The cloths that I'm going to use are my blue fluffies. I think I featured those in a video before. They are off Amazon and they are called King Sheep, and they are, I think they're 800 GSM, and they're just awesome for rinseless washing. They don't lint a bit, so they go into the bucket after I do the dwell. I let them soften up in there a little bit, and then I do my contact wash. I've got one in each hand, and I simply wash the car using the Gary Dean rinseless method. So each cloth has 8 sections to it, so you've got 16 applicators with each. I'll use 6 full microfibers for this, and I will just keep turning them and folding them and going to the other sides and all that, and it's quite easy. Check out Gary Dean's rinseless method. I think he's got a new improved one, but I've been using that for a long time, and you're always working with a clean side and none of that 2-bucket, crappy method. So anyway, it makes things safe for important cars like this. Thanks. On these Corvettes, you want to make sure that you, after any kind of wash at all, just make sure you pop the hood, get along the sides, these edges, these water rails. Now with the hood up, you can reach way in here. There's kind of like a little cage at the bottom of the windshield that holds the wipers. You can see, make sure you get all those deep areas. There's some leaves over there I'm going to grab. And pop the headlights too. You got to start the car and pop those up and make sure that you clean, all around these edges. Everything gets hit. Just a little tip there. Hey, this is JJ, just wrapping things up. So this is the beautiful blah, blah, blah 82 Corvette. So the client came and she wanted me to put the brand new Budge car cover that I kind of recommended for a quick car cover. The owner has a beautiful Corvette car cover in the back, but it's dirty. We didn't want to put a dirty cover on, scratch damage, get things dirty again. So they just bought an economy, Budge from O'Reilly's, which is actually $100 now, so kind of more than I thought it was. But we got it on. They don't provide these straps. There's the little tie-down grommet kind of things, middle, front, rear. I'm seeing this thing blow around. I'm hoping that it's going to stay on. But anyway, the owner's wife and I just got that all on. So I didn't get a chance to really film or take pictures or anything of the complete after. But anyway, it's been nice to take a car from really super dirty to looking quite beautiful. I wish I could kind of show you. I did take some pictures of the after I put the ceramic titanium TK6 from Dallas paint correction. Check out DPC Detailing, you get a chance. Scott Bly's got a lot of nice products, some really killer stuff that's coming out on the market right now with high flash times, kind of like Underdog and that. So anyway, that will wrap this up. This was about a 3-hour job for me. I did kind of a light interior, but I vacuumed and did, cleaning and leather conditioner and things like that, plastic conditioner. Used some LPV LVP, something like that, from 3D. Been liking that product, good for all around interior. And anyway, give me a thumbs up, like, share, do all the things you need to do. Thank you for being part of the channel, and I will catch you on the next one on the flip side. See you, bye.